Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Monisha. Today we are making paya soup as well as paya curry. This both recipe is very beneficial for winter season and this will help to boost our immune system. So let's get into this video. For this, here I have taken goat trotters, also known as paya. This is 4 goat trotters. I am going to keep this on side. So first we are going to prepare a soup. So for that, here I have taken a mortar and pestle, also known as kalbatta. Now to this, here I am adding garlic cloves 20 grams, and to this here I am adding 10 grams of ginger. We are going to crush this nicely. Now I am going to keep this on side. Here I have taken a 6-liter pressure cooker. To this I am adding the goat trotters. To this I am adding the ginger and garlic which was crushed. To this here I am adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 3 glasses of water. Now I am going to close the lid and we are going to pressure cook this on medium flame for 1 whistle. Now after 1 whistle, we are going to cook on low flame for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, we are going to switch off our flame and we are going to allow the pressure cooker to cool down a bit. Once the pressure cooker is cooled down, I'll release the pressure and then remove the whistle and open the lid. And our paya soup is ready. So simple this recipe is, and you don't need any oil substance for this soup, because the goat trotters itself will naturally release all the oils. As you can see here, there is lot of oil content already in this soup naturally. Now here I am adding 2 glasses of water. After adding 2 glasses of water, I am going to lightly combine this and we will allow this to boil for 5 minutes on medium flame. It's been 5 minutes and our paya soup is ready. Now we are making one more recipe, that is paya curry. For that I am removing all the pieces out. If you are only making the paya soup, you can keep the pieces and you can have it, the soup and the pieces. But now I am going to show you all how to make paya curry. And you must have noticed in the soup I have not added any salt. So while serving, according to your taste, you can adjust little salt and have the soup. So I have kept all the pieces on side. And we'll keep this paya soup on side. Now for the paya curry, here I have taken a kadai. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, to this here I am adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. To this here I am adding 2 strings of curry leaves, 5 cloves of garlic which I have crushed, half inch of ginger crushed. Now I am going to stir this so that all the raw aroma disappears. So once the raw aroma disappears, to this I am adding 2 big onions which I have finely chopped. Now we are going to stir and combine these onions until they turn slightly golden in color. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Now to this I am adding some salt. So this will fasten up the process of caramelizing the onions. So now our onions are perfectly turned golden in color. Now to this, here I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, also known as dhania powder. I am going to combine this well, and we are going to cook this on low flame for 2 minutes, but you need to continuously combine and mix this. It's been 2 minutes. Now to this, here I am adding the cooked goat trotters, also known as paya. Now I am going to combine this well so all the masalas get coated on top of a paya. So this recipe is very beneficial. You should definitely make during winter season. This is very good for health and very useful, and also very beneficial for chest congestion and lot of health problems. You all can definitely make this recipe. So to this I am adding 1 glass of water. Now I am going to combine this well. Once combined, I am going to adjust some salt. So here I am adding half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust according to your taste. Now I am going to combine this well. Once combined, to this again I am going to add 1 glass of water. Now we'll again combine this well. And now we'll cover and cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. And our paya curry is ready. Just mix once. And here I am going to garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves. So this will enhance the taste of a paya curry. Here I have added a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Now switch off the flame and serve this paya curry and soup hot with some pav or any Indian bread, or you can even have with some rice. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.